Excel AMORDEGRC function. This function returns the depreciation for each accounting period using the French accounting system with a declining balance coefficient. The name stands for Amortissement dégressif comptable. The syntax is AMORDEGRC with parameters cost, date purchased, first period, salvage period, rate, and an optional basis. The function applies a declining coefficient based on the asset's useful life. There are 7 arguments: cost, the cost of the asset; date purchased, the date the asset was purchased; first period, the end date of the first period; salvage, the salvage value at end of life; period, which period to calculate depreciation for; rate, the rate of depreciation; and basis, an optional day count basis accepting 0, 1, 3, or 4. Here's an example. We have an asset costing $2,400 purchased on June 28, 2016, with a first period ending December 31, 2016. The salvage value is $300. We want period 1, the rate is 15%, and we use an actual over actual day count basis. The AMORDEGRC function returns $729. This is the depreciation amount for period 1 using the French declining balance method with the appropriate coefficient applied. Watch out for common errors. A num error occurs when the asset life falls between 0 and 1 years, 1 and 2 years, 2 and 3 years, or 4 and 5 years, because the coefficient calculation cannot be applied in those ranges. Key points to remember. AMORDEGRC uses a declining coefficient based on asset life. The coefficient is 1.5 for 3 to 4 years, 2 for 5 to 6 years, and 2.5 for 6 or more years. It is designed specifically for the French accounting system and does not support basis type 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.